Today I'm going to show the proper procedure of mixing and making up cinnamon rolls using our Ezee cinnamon mix filling. You want to start your mixer up and you want to gradually add the water. This is to ensure that there is no lumping during the mixing process and that you're going to have a smooth, creamy type cinnamon filling. Then you're going to see a little binding, and that filling is lump free. Then you're going to add the remaining water. After you're through mixing, you want to have this set up. It needs about an hour rest time on the bench before applying it to the cinnamon rolls. Okay, here we have two samples of the water amount. This is at 50% of water based on base, and this viscosity is at 80% water based on base. I like the 50% water for cinnamon rolls because it makes a nice creamy filling. This amount, 80%, it causes a little bit of weeping during the baking time. So I like to apply this, and it comes on very smoothly. It has a nice viscosity, and it will not bake out during the baking procedure. After you apply the filling, you just roll your dough like so, and you stretch the dough out. And this is the finished product after you apply the filling in the dough. Here we have the dough with the 50% made with 50% water using the Ezee cinnamon filling. And here we have the dough with 80% water using the Ezee cinnamon filling. As you can see, there's two variations in the looks of the cinnamon rolls. This one is more defined. The cinnamon in this one is more defined with the less water. Whereas this cinnamon roll, you can't hardly see the cinnamon inside the roll. After baking, you can tell that the cinnamon filling that with 50% water stayed in much better versus the cinnamon roll with the 80% water baked out somewhat. This is the finished product of the cinnamon rolls that I made out of using our Ezee cinnamon smear, and I applied cream cheese icing on top.